Introducing a very special book entirely devoted to eggs. In Chapter 1, Introduction, we discover the significance of eggs in culinary history and their incredible versatility as a staple ingredient. Eggs have been cherished for centuries, and their ability to bind, leaven, emulsify, and add richness to dishes makes them a cherished ingredient in kitchens around the world. In Chapter 2, The Egg Essentials, we will learn about the anatomy of an egg and its nutritional benefits. We are gonna explore the art of choosing the freshest eggs and the importance of proper storage to maintain their freshness and quality. Chapter 3, The Perfect Boil, is going to teach us the different boiling methods and their impact on the egg's texture, from soft to hard-boiled. We will learn about the science behind boiling eggs and how to troubleshoot common issues for perfectly cooked results. In Chapter 4, Scrambling Sensations, we are going to master the art of achieving fluffy and flavorful scrambled eggs. We will explore various techniques and incorporating ingredients like cheese, herbs, and vegetables. Chapter 5, Frying with Finesse, will guide us in mastering sunny side up, over easy, and over hard eggs, along with using the right temperature and cooking fats for perfect results. We will discover creative uses of fried eggs in sandwiches, bowls, and more. Chapter 6, Baking and Beyond, unlocks the secrets of baking eggs in casseroles, frittatas, and quiches, creating hearty and flavorful one-dish meals. In Chapter 7, Steaming and Other Techniques, we will indulge in the delicate art of steaming eggs and explore Asian-inspired egg cooking methods, creating dishes with unique flavors and textures. We will even venture into unconventional methods for adventurous cooks, pushing the boundaries of egg preparation. Chapter 8, The Sweet Side of Eggs, is going to delight us with velvety custards, airy meringues, and ethereal soufflés, showcasing the versatility of eggs in creating delectable desserts. We will learn tips for achieving the perfect consistency and flavor in sweet treats. In Chapter 9, Egg Preservation and DIY Techniques, we will discover the art of preserving eggs through curing, pickling, and other methods, creating unique and flavorful treats. We will also learn how to make our own egg-based sauces, adding a personalized touch to our dishes. Eggs, From Shell to Savory Delights is now available. Check the link below this video.